Hi everyone, this is Sammy Playing with the Heart, and I'm back to share just a collective haul. A bunch of stuff that came in today that I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. So the first thing I wanted to share was some finds from AliExpress. So AliExpress now has hot foil dies. So I haven't tested these out. I just know that a die like this is pretty costly normally, so I wanted to go ahead and it's a whole card panel die, plus it has a piece that you could cut out. So I want to go ahead and give that a try, see how that looks. So I am going to do a couple hot foil videos because I have a bunch of hot foil. I really want to sit down and play with it. Just haven't had a chance because I've been making videos and crafting while I'm trying to get my room organized from moving everything out of my bedroom into the spare room. And it's just a mess. It's a mess. So I'm kind of working in the mess. But I do want to do a hot foil video, and my Spellbinders machine, my machine that I use is still in my bedroom. So I need to look that over and so. But that's a plan. So I want to see how these work, the ones from China. And then I also bought this ice skating die. I saw Tony at Craft Purge. She hauled this. She also made a really cute shaker with this. Just adorable. So I did go ahead and pick this one up. I'm excited to try that. And then with this die came a couple little freebies. So this little tree and this butterfly. Okay, so moving on to the next thing. I'm having problems with my computer right now. Let's see. Oh, one last thing I also bought from AliExpress is this Santa belt tag die. So it folds over and it makes something that looks like a Santa belt. So I'm going to go ahead and play with that one as well. Let's see, what is next? So September is my favorite time of the month at Simon Says Stamp. And so there's certain ones I always buy. So I always buy the Lawn Fawn. I always buy the Greeting Farm. Those two are for sure. Usually Mama Elephant. And the other ones, it just sort of depends. So far, I think we've done, I don't know how many they've had, 6 maybe that they've shown so far. And this is the only one that I like so far. So I'm kind of glad because then I'm not tempted to buy as much. But this is the Lawn Fawn, and I got the matching dies as well. And this one is just adorable. And the samples people have been doing for this are really, really cute. So I did get that one. And then I was excited to see kind of what's coming. So let's see. The Greening Farm still has to come. The Sugar Pea, Hero Art, Seat and Tangled. Did see Picket Fence. I was fine with not getting that one. Paper Roses, I haven't seen. Newton's Nook, I was tempted, but it passed. Gina K, I wasn't too interested. It's already sold out. Studicacha, just depends. Kitchen Sink, Paper Smooches, I'm excited about. The Snap Market and the Honeybee. Heffy Doodle, clearly Besotted, Mama Elephant. I'm more of a critter type person, or really cute kids. So anything that's like florally or whatever, I'm not that interested in. So I was good with that. And then I bought from Cat Scrappiness. They had a 15% off Labor Day. I think it was 15% off Labor Day thing. So I did buy some things. I really wanted their other stencil that Newton's Nook has now. They have like a cloud one and a grass one where you can do like one part of the grass and flip it, and you can do another part, and it looks really cool. They have that for the clouds and for the grass, but they were sold out. So they did have this one, which is a wave. So you can do the waves, and then you can do kind of another type of wave on top of it. And it just looks really, really cool. So now that I've been playing with Distress inks a little bit more, I want to go ahead and give this one a try. And then I also got some acetate sheets. I mean, I do other things with acetate. I use some other things, but I wanted to see how these work because they're a little thicker material. And then in here, what I really wanted to get from them is they have some really cool shaker bits. In there. But I got, and some of these were on sale for more of a discount, but they have this Going Batty, which is, it's got little bats in there. Like for the shaker bits, it's got bats, and then like confetti pieces and stuff like that. So I really liked that one. Then they have these penguin sprinkles. And they're actually little tiny penguins. It's adorable. So I got those. The Christmas Village. They have candy canes and trees in there. And then this is Christmas candy sprinkles. So it's got, this is sealed. It looks like little peppermints. And these are little mushrooms. Super cute. And then these are like cupcake sprinkles. And then this looks like it was a free gift because I don't remember ordering that. So that's really cute and fun. So I did get that from Cat Scrappiness. I'm super happy about that. The other things that I got, from Simon Says Stamp, when I did that order, I bought a couple things I wanted to try, which is the Connect Glue by Gina K. I wanted to try that. And then this embossing powder. I saw Amy Rice-Savvy use this speckled embossing powder. So I wanted to give that a try. So I did buy that as well. And then from, I almost forgot to. And you also got a Stamptember pin. So I got the pin for free. Okay, this is from an Etsy store. It's called Iralamija. Her name is Beatrice Jennings. Here's her shop on Etsy. And so this is how it comes packaged. Very cute. Let me show you what's in here. And in here I have some stuff to show you guys right here. So these are little kits that she has put together. In a minute, Tyler, okay? I'm almost done. Okay, so in here, let me show you all the things that are in here in this kit. So there's all these little pieces that you can use, like ephemera type pieces that she's, put together in these cute little kits that I thought would be really, really cute to accent for junk journals. This is a little envelope, favorite things. There's all kinds of fun little pieces that are hard to put together like on your own. There's some of the pieces, all kinds of different papers and ephemera. That is really fun to put together. And then in here, the other pieces that are in here. So I want to take everything out because there's like sequins in here. So she's got sequins in here and buttons and snowflakes and rub-ons and all different kinds of things in here to play with, including some ribbon pieces, which I think is really cute. Tags, all kinds of different things in here. And so it's just really fun to have all these different pieces from all these different, collections and things all in one kind of thing. So this is the Christmas one that I got. And then this is, I think this is the Halloween one that I got that I want to use for my October daily. So it's got all kinds of different ephemera and little pieces that you can accent. And then there's ribbon and flowers and buttons and sequins and all different kinds of fun things in here. So I thought that would be really fun to play with. And check out her shop. She's got some really cool stuff. She also does like printables, like digital stuff that you could do too. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.